Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, welcome back to another wig review. Today's wig review is sponsored by the Wig Company. Thank you for sending me over this beautiful, gorgeous wig and trusting me to provide you with my honest opinion on this wig. So without further ado, let's get right into the install. And please come back for my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking up this wig.
Just say no, 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 just say yeah, body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Just say yeah, so baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. Just say yeah, bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Original. Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, body nice.
So some specs about the wig. This review is sponsored by the Wig Company. The name of this wig is Always Sunny. I have it in the color yellow with deeper roots. The head size is average. It is heat friendly up to 350 degrees. It has a lace front hairline. It costs $148.75. But trust me, there's always a coupon or a discount going on. And they ship very fast. During the install, I realized this wig is beginner friendly. It has no flyaways, it doesn't tangle, and there is little shedding. And I think the shedding only came from when I cut the lace off. And my humble opinion, the color is beautiful. Beautiful! The Wig Company, thank you for sending me over this gorgeous wig. I love it. And I paired it with this gorgeous black hat, which I think I got from Pretty Little Things or somewhere, but we're not here for the hat, we're here for the wig, so that's besides the point. But yeah, gorgeousness. Let me take off the hat so you can see. Gorgeous with or without the hat. Give you a 360 of this wig. Oh, I got the hat from Pretty Little Things. If I do find a link, because I think I purchased it last year. If I do find a link, I will leave it down in the description for you. So that's all I have for this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. And again, thank you for the Wig Company for entrusting me and giving you my honest opinion on this wig, which I also very love. I just love the color. Okay, if you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP, and I'd like to say thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch the video in its entirety. Don't forget to go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that notification bell, and don't forget to share and like and leave a comment in the comment section. My name is Auntie Titi, and thank you for joining Thru Her Eyes for another wig review. Bye guys.